Hello everyone, welcome to our newest videos today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a countertop stylings, griddles. And let me give you the overall dimensions of the units first. And the unit's entire length is about like a 5 feet, like 60 inches. For the depth of the units, they are about like a 28 and 3/4 inches deep. Overall heights, they are almost about like a 16 and 3/8 inch tall. So the unit's designed with the 5 sections individual controllers at the front. We can see from the manufacturers, they have a small windows to see the inside the fire status. And also for both sides, they come in with the clean, the point right here, the hose, and you can clean all the dust from the grills and just put right here. And they have a drawers at the bottoms. You can slide it out and clean the inner side whenever you need it. And also let me give you the cooking area dimensions. So this cooking pan, they are slightly about like 60 inches long. And the depth of it about like a 20 and the 3/4 inches. For the thickness, it's almost about like a 1 inches. And also the behind of the units, we do have a connections for you to connect with the gas. For this small connections, it's about like almost like a 2.5 inches deep. And on the side of the units, they come in with brand names and the SA sanitation stickers on it, and also the have a BTU information on the side too. From the manufacturers, they give you one more extra accessories. These are regulators. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.